Anyone who has ever installed a motorcycle chain knows that bringing the two ends together can be much harder than it looks. Most people struggle with the tension, try to force the chain into position, and waste valuable time fighting with the alignment. That's exactly why this mechanic's simple solution caught so much attention. Using nothing more than a plastic zip tie, he managed to pull the two ends together and hold them perfectly aligned for the connecting link installation. The most surprising part is how simple the trick really is. Once you see it being done, it feels obvious, yet most people never think of it. A practical, clever, and highly effective idea that makes the job faster, easier, and far less frustrating.